Well, hi everybody, and welcome to Introduction to Moodle 2.2. This is the second video in the series. It finally went over to the new screen, and this section is all about looking at some of the features, specifically the resources and activities that we've all come to know and love. Notice in the right-hand column we have different items, different plugins installed. For example, we have an e-portfolio, and at the very top, course ratings. Your users can let you know by the appropriate number of stars what they think of your course. Let's come over to the left-hand column and if you remember previously we had a number of folders. Well, we have those things in a written form instead of with icons, and here in the upper corner of the navigation block you can click it and you can reduce that information. Here's the activities block, which I recommend everybody use, and because we have so many activities, these are most but not all of the activities that we have. I'm going to come up to the top and call your attention. This is not going to be used until January of 2013. There will be some fall 2012 classes in the next video, and if you're going to be teaching next semester, fall of 2012, a duplicate set of classes has been created so you can get in, if you're a faculty member, and actually try out some of the things we're looking at here. With that said, you also have a link back to the development site in case you wish to put some comments, and right above it you have your input on features. As we remember here in Topic Area 1, resources are things students use. For example, if you want to upload a syllabus or add a link to another video, notice external media sample, that's brand new. And as we scroll down, the activities area has really taken off. And in video number 3 for faculty, you will see just how many new choices there are in the activities. A couple of them have not been plugged in this version, but we have left everything active in the faculty section so you can make your choices and your suggestions. We have our old favorites, offline activity, uploading a single file, etc., etc. But notice we have new things like booking a field trip reservation. Well, you can actually set up something and book for a field trip or a tour, or it could be used in connection with a club activity. And I see we're going to have one of those sessions that it just wants to take forever. Well, that's loading. I'll notice we have checklist, a chat room. Flashcards are new. And here we are. You can book an activity. You can set dates. Notice here in the left-hand side we have the number of places available. You can specify the booking information. And as a student, you can actually book your place. This could also be, in addition to the a field trip, this could be booking a time for a presentation. So there's an awful lot of new things available in the 2.2. As we head back, eventually, there we go. We're going to scroll down and notice in Topic Area 4 we have a podcast. That's kind of interesting. And wikis. Oh my goodness, wiki people, you are going to love it. There are several versions of the wiki. I recommend the Creole version. A, it's extra spicy, and B, it works really, really well. You don't have to do any extra HTML coding. And not only is the quiz back, but they have a real-time quiz which allows you to create questions on the fly. I'm going to invite you to play with this, and I think you're going to like it a lot better. And let me show you what we're going to do next. I'm going to come up here to the top left-hand corner, and I'm going to choose Home. Let's see how long this takes. And we'll get to the Home Moodle page. And if you are a regular faculty member and you're going to be teaching a course, we'll scroll down just a little bit And here's the Moodle support and training, and here's the fall 2012 classes. If you enter your CRN in the search course area, by golly, your course should pop right up. And by the way, here at the top we've added links to my Humboldt, and where it says Get Help, there's a student and faculty guide to Moodle, course copies, setting up a help desk ticket, all kinds of good stuff there. So go on back in, go down to Moodle support and training, go on down and find the Moodle 2.2 intro, play around in there, explore, and then come on back and watch video number 3. Thank you.